Hi there. Thank you for your interest in the Damn Easy product range. We understand you're currently in the research stage, so we'd like to cover some of the main benefits of the Damn Easy to help you understand if Damn Easy flood barriers are the solution for you. The Damn Easy flood barriers are 28 inches high, and the barriers can extend from 30 inches to 43 inches wide. Installing the barriers is very easy. You simply place the barrier within the door reveal, extend the sides out to meet the reveal, then inflate the pump to leave the area watertight. The inflatable seal runs down both sides and across the bottom, giving you full support up to 28 inches. The seals are replaceable and can be changed in seconds. When replaced after a storm, you can have your barriers good as new, protecting you for many years to come. As an optional extra, you can also purchase the Damn Easy security cover. This cover slips over the controls of the barrier, leaving it tamper-proof and under lock and key. Great for busy neighbourhoods or commercial entrances. If you have larger openings to protect, such as garage or patio doors, 2 or more barriers can be connected together with the aid of the Damn Easy extension pole. There's no limit to the amount of barriers that can be connected. To install the extension pole, you're required to core a hole 55mm thick by 160mm deep. A stainless steel rod is placed in this hole and secured with adhesive. After this initial rod installation, the extension pole can be connected or removed within seconds. When the extension pole is not in use, use a small dust cap screwed in to avoid dust buildup and leaving the area looking nice and neat. The Damn Easy products can be deployed in seconds at first sight of a storm and removed just as quick. Our products can be placed back in the packing and stored away in a convenient place.